What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download music from the YouTube audio library on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To download music from YouTube into an MP3 format, open up your browser of choice and navigate to youtube.com. Click on your profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, click on YouTube Studio. Select Audio Library from the list of options available on the left side pane. The YouTube Audio Library offers a large list of songs and effects you can download. Filter your search by track title, genre, artist name, duration, and more. You can also specify if attribution to the artist is required or not. After listening to a song you like, hover your mouse cursor over the song and the download option will become visible to you. Simply click on download and your browser will start downloading the song or sound effect. These audio files will be in MP3 format by default. Your browser can help you locate the downloaded songs. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.